class 2 students. How are you? And you are staying at home or not? Yes, all of you are very fine and in a safe and healthy condition. So, welcome again to our online video class, and today is the turn for your grammar subject. Students, you just recall in the last class we have covered up to exercise number 3 of unit number 13, that is be. Only we completed the person of the verb, that is be. So be is called as a being verb. We have completed up to this. Some of the examples of being verbs are am, is, are. Where these are used already we have completed. Am is always used with I. Look, am is always used with I, and is it is a being verb, and it is always used with singular noun or pronoun. Look, singular noun or pronoun. And are, it is used always with you, and you may be singular or plural. You may be singular or plural. Okay? And are is always used with plural noun or pronoun. So already we have covered up these things, and on the basis of these things we have completed the exercise number 3. And today is the turn for continued this unit, that is unit number 13, with the verb has and do. With the verb has and do, and we will go ahead with the exercise number 4. So let's turn the page number 53. So this is the page number 53, and today we will start with the verb has or have. Where these verbs are used today we will discuss. But look, you just remember has is always used with has, singular noun. Has is always used with singular noun or pronoun. Look, it is used always with singular noun plus pronoun. Okay? Has is always used with singular noun and pronoun. And have is always used with plural noun plus pronoun. Got it, students? Always you remember these things. Has is always used with singular noun or pronoun, and have is always used with plural noun and pronoun. And extra thing, have is always used with always you. You. Okay? You may be singular or plural. Got it, students? You may be singular and plural. Okay. Look, I have a bike. Always remember one more thing. Have is also used with I. Okay? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 things you have to remember regarding have. Have is always used with I. Have is always be used with you, that you may be singular or plural, and have is always used with plural noun and pronoun. Got it? Look, I have a bike. So here I, that's why have is here. You have a bike. You, I always said have is also used with you, that you may be singular or plural. Look, you have a bike. So the sentence, the rule number 1 and rule number 3 have been satisfied here. Raman has a bike. Raman is a singular noun, so here has is used. Raman has a singular noun. Sita has a bike. Sita is also a singular noun, so here has is used. We have new bikes. So here we is a plural pronoun, so here have is used. They have new bikes. There is also a plural pronoun. So here have is used. He has a bike. He is a singular pronoun. So here has is used. Similarly here she has a bike. She is a singular pronoun. So you just look. Here I have a bike. I is a single and here we is the plural. Okay, plural pronoun. You have a bike. You it may be singular. Here in the singular sense it is said, and they have a bikes. Here they is used as plural pronoun. Raman has a bike. Raman is a boy, so here it has been written he. Singular pronoun, singular noun. So has is used both singular noun, singular pronoun. Look, Sita has a bike. She has a bike. Here singular noun, singular pronoun. Got it, students? You just remember these 4 rules. In case of have, here 3 rules, and in case of has, here 1 rule. You have to remember these 4 rules so that you will be completely clear about the use of has and have. Look, the same thing it has been written. Has and have are verbs that tell us what people have or possess. Yes, what people have. लोगों के पास क्या है और लोग क्या रखते हैं उसके बारे में has have बताते हैं. So they are called having verbs also. That's why these are called as and having verbs, and you have to remember these rules also. Look, has is used with singular nouns or pronouns. The same thing I have written. That is, singular nouns means one person or thing, and pronouns means he, she, etc. Have is used with pronouns I and you and plural nouns and pronouns more than one. I, you, we, they, boys, girls, etc. So you have to remember. It is very important. You have to remember these things and these things, so that you will be very clear about the use of has and have. Got it? So let's start the exercise number 4. So you have to see the picture and you have to fill up all these things. Okay. Look, the monkey dash a long tail. Here the monkey is a single noun. So monkey has a long tail. Jugal. Look. Jugal dash a new dictionary. Jugal has. Jugal is a single person, so Jugal has a new dictionary. They dash got their report cards. Here we are talking about more than one person. That is, there is a pronoun. So here they have got their report cards. Next, this house dash many windows. This house has, because this house is a single house. This house has many windows. Next, the 2 birds dash very strong beaks. These are we are talking here about more than one birds. So the two birds have. So if we are talking about the plural form, then we have to write down blindly have. Next, have very strong beaks. Next, I dash a baby sister. This boy is it's saying I. Always with the I we are using have. I have a baby sister. You dash a very pretty frock. You have. Always I and you, always they are written with have. So in this manner we have completed exercise number 4. Now open the page number 54. Look students. Look. Then she dash fever. She is a singular pronoun. So what we will write here? She has fever. He dashed many wonderful stamps. He is singular pronoun. So he has many wonderful stamps. We dash tickets. Can we go in? We is a plural pronoun. Plural means we have write down have. We have Tickets? Can we go in? Okay, so on the basis of these rules, we will sort out the exercise. Exercise number 5 also. Look. Read and then match the following. One is done for you. Here in the first column, noun or pronoun have been written. And in this column, has or have is written. And the next last part of the sentences is here. So look. I always used with have. I have decided to study hard. Next, Rashid, John and Jasvinder. So these are plural nouns. So have or has we will write. Yes, we have to write down have. Rashid, John and Jasvinder have gone to school. Look. So in this manner, gone to school. Okay. Next, she is a singular noun. So obviously she के पास क्या होना चाहिए? She has bought a new watch. Okay. Next, Roshan is a singular noun, so it will be used with has. Roshan has bought a new dress. Yes. Kamla is a singular noun, so has been used with Kamla. Kamla has, what will be? Has a new pet dog. Next, you always used with have. You have a new storybook to read. Next, the children have to go out and play. Got it, students? In this manner, you can join. Okay. So, or otherwise, you can write down by joining these words in your CW book also. So for today's class, this is enough up to exercise number 5. And in the next class, we will continue with the rest part of the unit number 13. So at the end, you just watch this video so that you will be very clear about the verbs has and have, having verbs. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.